James with Creative Audio. Today we're going to do an overview on the Wavtech Link Mini series of amplifiers. The first thing we're going to notice about the Wavtech series of mini amplifiers is just that, the size. So when you look at what we've got out here in front of us today, we have two 4-channel and two monoblock amplifiers. So these are going to be available in a 1000 watt, a 500 watt mono, and then a 500 watt 4-channel and a 300 watt 4-channel. So no matter the size of the system that you're trying to put together, they've got an amplifier that's going to fit those needs. One of the big things that Wavtech is known for is going to be all of their integration. So these amplifiers are actually designed to be used with your factory radio. So if you have a factory radio or an aftermarket radio that doesn't have enough voltage output, this actually has a built-in high level input. So in place of a line out converter, you can actually hook up the speaker level in and go directly out to your new aftermarket speakers, or even if you're just looking to bump up the power to your factory system. So big thing here, look at this in the size of my hand. This is going to be a 300 watt 4-channel amplifier. Just the sheer size of this and the power is something that really makes the Wavtech stand out. So while looking at the different sizes that we've got here, again, we've got a mono block. So if you're just looking to add a subwoofer or a vehicle specific enclosure to your vehicle, something like this is going to be able to allow you to integrate this either underneath the back seat, possibly under the dash, back in the trunk area, but not eat up a bunch of space. And again, with that built-in high level input, no need to replace your factory radio. So all of your integrations can be built into this and allow you to add what you're lacking otherwise without really going very in depth inside the vehicle itself. Utilizing the small footprint, the Wavtech amplifiers pack a ton of power, great integration, ease of setup, but also this is going to be something you can expand on later on. So if you start out with just the monoblock, later on if you decide to be able to bump up the power on your mids and highs, that's going to be where these other mini series amplifiers are going to come into play, and they integrate perfectly together. So whether you're looking to power your interior speakers or power a subwoofer with one of the monoblock amplifiers, there's going to be an amp that fits your needs. And this has been an overview of the Wavtech Mini Series Link amplifiers. As always, stay with us as we bring you innovative products to fit your lifestyle.